Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit car pictures and videos. So first off with the pictures, what we're going to do, the secret to take good car pictures, at least on your phone, is to take a video in cinematic mode, then take a screenshot out of that video, and then we go and edit that screenshot here in Lightroom. And you can do that with pictures too from your camera. So once we get in Lightroom, first thing you want to do, lower the exposure a little, up the contrast a little, down the highlights, either up or down the shadows depending on the picture. Just mess around with it. Down the whites, up the blacks. You know, you really just gotta mess around with these settings until you get something that you think looks nice. Then you go over to the color. I normally like to add a little bit of vibrance, but down on the saturation. Get a good color in there. Up the clarity quite a bit. It always looks good. Mess around with the dehaze. A lot of times it looks good up, sometimes it looks good down. Mess around with the texture, like it up a little, down the vignette, up the sharpening, and there you go. Look at that difference between the edited and the original. I think it looks really good. That gives you the baseline. Really just gotta play around with those settings, get something you think looks nice, and yeah, that gives you a general idea on how to edit your pictures. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple, cool looking car edit like I do for my TikToks and stuff, and you guys can implement this on your own. So first we want to go to CapCut, import our starting video. I think I'm going to start this one out with a roller. So now we got our starting video in here. What we're going to want to do is go to extract, and then you extract the sound from the video that you want to use. Whatever sound that is. A lot of times you do this with TikTok. You save the video of the audio you want to use, and then you extract that audio into your CapCut edit. Now we got the sound imported, and we're going to trim up this starting video real quick. Alright, now that we got that in a good position, we're going to shorten the audio, make sure it lines up good. So mess around with it. So it cuts a little after the drop, so we gotta trim it up to get it nice and right on the drop for us. Now that we got it lined up on the drop, we're gonna start adding in the other clips to go along with the beat. Then we're going to trim it up a bit to match up with the beat. And now that we got that lined up, we're going to start adding in the other clips. And we're just going to keep matching up these clips with the beat and keep adding in more clips until we reach the end of our audio. Now we got our last clip lined up. Let's fade out the end of the audio and let's watch it to make sure it all lines up. So the clips all line up, so now we're going to start adding in the fun stuff, the animations. So we're going to start it out by adding in the animation to fade in. And then we're gonna add in, go to effects, video effects, opening and closing. Gonna add in one of the blur effects. Looks pretty good. Then we're gonna line it up with the sound to make sure it looks good when it actually focuses on the car. And that looks pretty good right there. And then when this little drop part in the music goes on, we're gonna add in another effect. We're gonna go to nightclub and we're gonna do the black flash is too much. So So we're gonna add in the strobe effect. We're gonna extend the effect to the end of that clip right there. Goes all the way to the end. Then we're gonna add another effect of black flash on this end part to go with that last little beat drop. And that looks pretty good. So now we're gonna start animating the other clips. We're gonna do the rock vertical animation, and we're gonna do that for pretty much all these clips because it goes with this type of sound, the funk music. The rock vertical, horizontal, and shake always goes well with this type of hard drops. So I think we're gonna add the shake on these two little clips right here since these go pretty fast. I think that'll look pretty good. And we're just gonna keep repeating that process of adding in the animations to the clips until we get to the end here. And then we're gonna add in the fade out, and then add in the fade in, and then here's our finished product. And yeah, guys, there you go. That's how you make a simple, pretty cool looking edit. I think it turned out pretty well, and now you guys know how to edit a little better. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned how to edit your pictures and videos a little bit better. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.